Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the World and U.S. History Content Knowledge Test? This is exam number 5941. Praxis 5941 is an exam with several subtopics. This worked solution set covers the subtopic of World History 1450 CE to the present. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. Which of the following technological advancements played a significant role in the Industrial Revolution? Telegraph, steam engine, compass, or printing press? The technological advancements of the telegraph, compass, and printing press did not play as significant a role in the Industrial Revolution as the steam engine. The telegraph, while revolutionary for communication, became prominent later in the industrial period, so we can cross that out. The compass was crucial for navigation and exploration, but it did not directly influence industrial manufacturing processes. So we can cross that out as well. The printing press revolutionized the spread of information, but was a much earlier invention that predates the Industrial Revolution. So we can eliminate that as well. The correct answer is the steam engine, which played a pivotal role by providing a new source of power that drove machinery in factories, revolutionized transportation with steam locomotives and ships, and enabled large-scale industrial production. So steam engine is the correct answer. Problem number 2. Which of the following best describes the motivation for Western nationalism, imperialism, and colonization between the years of 1840 and 1945? Cultural and religious exchange, political alliances with indigenous populations, shared humanitarian values and a desire to spread democracy, or economic competition between European powers. The motivations were not primarily driven by cultural and religious exchange, political alliances with indigenous populations, or shared humanitarian values and a desire to spread democracy. Cultural and religious exchange often did occur as a byproduct and not as the primary motivation, so we can cross that out. Political alliances with indigenous populations were not the main goal. In fact, indigenous populations were often subjugated, so we can cross that out as well. Shared humanitarian values and a desire to spread democracy were frequently used as justifications, but they were not the true driving force. So we can eliminate that as well. The correct answer is economic competition between European powers. During this period, European nations were driven by the desire to acquire resources, expand markets, and increase their wealth and power, which fueled aggressive imperialism and colonization. Therefore, economic competition between European powers is the correct answer. Problem number 3. The leader responsible for establishing a totalitarian state in communist China was Ho Chi Minh, Kim Il-sung, Mao Zedong, or Chiang Kai-shek. The leader responsible for establishing a totalitarian state in communist China was not Ho Chi Minh, Kim Il-sung, or Chiang Kai-shek. Ho Chi Minh was the revolutionary leader of Vietnam, Kim Il-sung was the leader of North Korea, and neither played a role in the establishment of the communist regime in China. So we can eliminate both of those. Chiang Kai-shek was the leader of the Nationalist Party in China and opposed the communists. He eventually fled to Taiwan after his defeat, so we can cross him out as well. The correct answer here is Mao Zedong, who led the Communist Party of China to victory in the Chinese Civil War and established the People's Republic of China in 1949. So Mao Zedong is the correct answer here. Problem number 4. A major event in the decolonization and nationalist movement in India was the Salt March, the Sharpeville Massacre, the Battle of Algiers, or the Mau Mau Uprising. The major event in the decolonization and nationalist movement in India was not the Sharpeville Massacre, the Battle of Algiers, or the Mau Mau Uprising. The Sharpeville Massacre occurred in South Africa and was a pivotal event in the anti-apartheid movement. So that's not the correct answer. The Battle of Algiers was a significant event in the Algerian struggle for independence from French colonial rule. So that is not correct either. The Mau Mau Uprising took place in Kenya and was a key part of Kenya's fight for independence from British rule. So that can be eliminated as well. The correct answer here is the Salt March. It was led by Mahatma Gandhi in 1930. This nonviolent protest against the British salt tax was a critical event in the British independence movement, symbolizing the resistance to British colonial rule and galvanizing Indian nationalism. Therefore, the Salt March is the correct answer here. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you can expect to find about the subtopic of World History 1450 CE to the present for the Praxis 5941 World and U.S. History exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.